am Rashmi Sriyogi, HOD, Department of Mathematics, Kent City College of Arts and Science, Kalambam. As you all know, we are going through such an exceptional and disappointing stage all around. COVID-19 has affected all status of our life, especially our educational system, leading to the total closure of schools, colleges and universities. So in this pandemic situation, let us make an attempt which was against our traditional teaching learning experience. That is, we are forceful to use the online education applications and platforms to study and gather information. I am here to introduce you the syllabus and details of faculties of S5 BSc Mathematics. You have 6 papers to study in this semester. One is real analysis, and second one is complex analysis, third one is abstract algebra, and fourth one is differential equation, fifth one is mathematics software, LaTeX and Sage, and sixth one is open course physical education. Now, real analysis 1. This course is mainly based on chapters 1 to 3 of the reference text Understanding Analysis 2nd edition by Stephen Abbott. Here we discuss about the notion of real numbers, the idea of sequence of real numbers, its convergences, and finally gives a minimal introduction to the metric space structure of R, which is a stepping stone into the idea of abstract topological space. Second subject is complex analysis. This course is mainly based on chapters 1 to 4 of the reference text Fundamentals of Complex Analysis with Applications to Engineering and Science 3rd edition by Edward B. Saff. In this text, we study about algebra of complex numbers, differentiation, analytic functions, elementary functions, and finally integration of complex numbers. Third one is abstract algebra. This course is mainly based on chapters 1 to 3, 5 to 7 and 9 of the reference text Contemporary Algebra 8th edition by Joseph Gallian. The aim of this course is to provide a very strong foundation in the theory of groups. Next is differential equations. This course is mainly based on chapters 1 of the reference text Advanced Engineering Mathematics 10th edition by Erwin Kreyszig and the reference text Differential Equation Historical Note by G.F. Simmons. In this course, we discuss how differential equations arise in various physical problems and find the solution of first order differential equation and second order linear equations. Next is mathematics software, LaTeX and Sage. Here we introduce 2 software which are commonly used by people working in mathematics, a science typesetting software LaTeX and a mathematical computational visualization software Sage. Lab examination is only for this course. Next is open course physical education. The courses will be handled by real analysis, complex analysis, mathematics software, LaTeX and SageMax by me, and complex analysis 1 sharing abstract algebra group theory differential equation by Ani Sage, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Next, our open course physical education is handled by Afijit Murthy, HOD, Department of Physical Education. In addition to this, we will provide open course operation research, and the text is Operation Research Principles and Practice 2nd edition by Ravindran, Phillips and Solberg. This open course is for other main subjects. This was handled by Somaya S., Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Welcome to all in our S5 classes. Hope you are all safe. We can join together to fight against this pandemic situation and hope that this situation will surely go away and will fill happiness and joy to the entire world. Thank you.